And I'm going to do a quick assembly video on this Govee light bar. I'm going to fast forward through this in a minute, but I saw a lot of reviews saying that the LED strip, this right here, is too long, and that has not been the case. I put that one together, and that was not the case. So as long as you follow the directions, it should be good. Let me show you kind of what that looks like. So it does come with a screwdriver that is magnetic, which is super nice because these are small screws. And then you're going to put these brackets and line them up with the holes into these 4, I don't know, metal pieces. I don't know what you would call them. So I'm going to fast forward through this part so you don't have to deal with it. But yeah. Hey, real quick, if you're interested in what you saw here, I left links down in the description. And if you want more real reviews from real people that we use in our everyday lives, go ahead and hit that bell button, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.